headed to Paris. This fog is very very cool. I don't know what this ride is for though. I did not do a lot of research. Okay, so ooh, that looks fun. We gotta do that.
Absolutely,
Do it. Stardust Racers. It's called Stardust Racers. Right out here. We're gonna walk in and see. Because I'm itching to get on a coaster. Because they were just on during the rain. They were just on during the rain. Oh, it's only 25 minutes. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. We are thrill junkies and we get to ride a coaster, finally. That was awesome. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, another delay, another issue. So far we have tried 3 rides and unsuccessfully have not been able to ride anything. I'm a little disenchanted at the moment. Like I said, I read about this, I heard about this, but now I'm experiencing it for myself, and so far I'm not really feeling it. I don't even know if I'm gonna try and get on another ride. I'm just gonna go look at the different worlds and I'm probably gonna leave, to be honest. In the Battle of the Ministry, guess what? Delay. Listen, I get it. Some of it has to do with the weather, but a lot of it has to do with ride error. We just saw everyone get evacuated off of that Stardust Racers. Let's just hope this is as nice as I think it's gonna be. That's the map in Paris for the metro. Look at that perfumery.
Distillery. Dine.
Oh my gosh. Everybody, she's not French.
Now that I can read. That's beautiful. That's absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, this is pretty.
I need a picture of that. Hold on.
This is beautiful so far. This area is really impressive, and we've only just got in here. This is kind of what I wanted to see today. This is super, super impressive. Angel, the busy bee, my photographer friend, who is like the universal epic extraordinaire. She absolutely loves it.
Ministry is experiencing an extended delay. Keyword extended. This is going to take a while. We cannot
Consensus.
estimate.
The consensus of this visit: extended delay, extended delay, extended delay. It's quite tragic. Creepy. I'm dropping into the Harry Potter world, I suppose, vlog, but this is it in the evening. I really wanted to see it all lit up. It's nice, but I guess it's not as impressive as I thought it was going to be for some reason. I don't know why I thought it would look different. I could hang out in this world all day. And not because of Harry Potter, just because I think it's such a beautiful park. So, I guess it's not. I don't know. I guess I was expecting it to be different. It's still beautiful, but I think it's actually prettier during the day. But I wanted to cut this in so you could see it at night. Okay, well, this is the end of our time in Harry Potter's, whatever this land is called, in France. The Ministry of Magic is still on an extended delay. So we're gonna move on to Mario Land. So this is the end of this vlog. If I come back at night, I'm gonna stitch some stuff in before this. So I'll just say it's my evening part of this because I really knew it would be really beautiful. But we're gonna head on over there. So if you hung out this long, thank you for watching. You can like, subscribe, and do all the things.